Such kind of sponges are used most commonly in houses for washing dishes or cleaning the sinks or the toilet, and over time they tend to hold in bacteria because of dampness. So what you can do is take a bowl, depending on how many sponges you'll need to soak overnight, take salt and then add white vinegar to it. See that you add a little more quantity, and then add warm water. Now before you soak in the sponge, see that you squeeze it out well and then soak it in. Now as you can see, there are some bubbles coming out. That's of the detergent or soap, whatever it was used for earlier. What I am doing is basically immersing the sponge and then squeezing it dry. I'm repeating this for a few times because I need the sponge to completely soak in the mixture that I have created over here. Now if you have a lot of sponges, what you all can do is take a bucket and soak them. Leave this overnight, and in the morning just wash it with plain water, 2-3 rinses. Same way, squeeze it and then let it be. This is what I got once it was left overnight. You'll see all these black spots. So friends, do let me know how did you all like this hack, and for more interesting hacks, do not forget to subscribe to our channel.